LangChain versus LlamaIndex. Which one is better? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's AI driven world, if you're building apps that rely on custom datasets, choosing the right framework isn't just a technical choice. It could save you weeks of development and debugging. In 2025, two names lead the pack: LangChain and LlamaIndex. They're both powerful open source tools with strong communities, but they're optimized for different use cases. So let's dive in and compare them across usability, features, scalability, and integration. So if you're just starting out or working solo, LlamaIndex might feel more overwhelming. It's designed to make it easy to connect large language models with your own information, whether that's PDFs, SQL databases, or Notion pages. With just a few lines of Python, you can get your first retrieval-augmented generation chatbot running. Developers on GitHub and G2 often praise how quickly they can get up to speed, even without deep AI experience. LangChain, by contrast, is a more sophisticated toolkit. It supports building complex modular pipelines involving memory, tools, chains, and agents. It gives you more flexibility, but that comes with a steeper learning curve. Developers on forums like Reddit and Trustpilot say it's incredibly powerful, but documentation can sometimes be fragmented or inconsistent. Now, let's talk about capabilities. LangChain is a full featured automation engine for LLMs. You can create multi step agents, chain together APIs, and build fully interactive assistants. It plugs seamlessly into services like OpenAI, Anthropic, Hugging Face, Pinecone, Zapier, and many more. On the other hand, LlamaIndex is built specifically around data retrieval. If your goal is to allow an LLM to query documents intelligently, think smart search, summarization, or document question and answers. LlamaIndex is purpose-built for that. It supports custom chunking, hybrid search, and out-of-the-box embedding pipelines. While LangChain gives you total freedom, LlamaIndex gives you a focused, fast path from data to output. When it comes to scaling, both tools are enterprise-ready. LangChain now includes LangSmith, a monitoring and debugging suite that's ideal for teams building complex agent workflows. It's geared towards production environments and offers strong logging and observability. LlamaIndex isn't far behind. In 2025, it rolled out new enterprise grade features like fine tuning integration, better tracing, and cloud native deployment support. Many small teams on G2 mentioned that LlamaIndex ends up being more cost efficient when your focus is just on building RAG system. LangChain's real strength is connectivity. It's the Swiss Army knife of LLM frameworks. You can wire it up to anything: language models, databases, vector stores, webhooks, APIs, and even browser automation. LlamaIndex supports integrations too, but it's a bit more opinionated. It's designed around data connectors and it does that extremely well. You won't be chaining tools or building agents inside LlamaIndex, but if your job is to make documents searchable by an LLM, it's hard to beat. So, which one should you choose? Go with LangChain if you're creating full stack AI systems, multi agent workflows, or need custom logic that spans multiple services and tools. Choose LlamaIndex if you want a streamlined, fast, and efficient way to link your data to an LLM with minimal setup. And here's a pro tip: many teams use both. LlamaIndex handles the retrieval pipeline, while LangChain orchestrates the logic, tools, and outputs. At the end of the day, there's no one size fits all solution, but with either LangChain or LlamaIndex, you'll be standing on the shoulders of the best in open source AI tooling. If this helped clarify your choice, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more AI development content, tutorials, and comparisons. We'll catch you in the next video.